The record here is 10.92 seconds. It's also the national junior record set by Alana Reid back in 2023. In lane 1 from Mount Alvernia, Charlotte Bell.
Mount Alvernia represented in all the girls 100 meters so far, and she did 11.86 to get here.
In lane 2 from Penwood, Shakea Reid.
11.80, the second place finisher at Corporate Championship.
In lane number 3, the bronze medalist from last year representing Edwin Allen, Renicia Edwards.
Won her semi-final to get here. Semi-final 2, she ran 11.61, same time as Tiana Marshall, and she's in lane 3. She wants to break up the big 2.
In lane 4 from Woolmer, she's also an outstanding sprint hurdler, Tiana Marshall.
Outstanding, super, magnificent, over the hurdles, Tiana Marshall, 11.61 semis.
You would have just seen her teammate Natrice East winning the gold.
In lane 5, the world leader and the Class 2 sprint double champion from last year, from Holland High, Shanoya Douglas.
With 11.06 already under her belt, the fastest in the world this year for all females early in the season. We ran 11.17 in the semi-finals. Overwhelming favorite, formerly Mouchette, now Holland. Does she go sub-11?
In lane number 6 from Edwin Allen, we have got Alexa Henry.
Yeah, started the season as one of the big favorites. 11.37, the Trinbagonian representing Edwin Allen. She knows she's in for a tough fight tonight.
In lane number 7, 7th in last year's final from Heidel, Shemonique Hazel.
Shemonique says, I have 8 individual medals at Girls Champs. I want number 9 right now. Does she get into the top 3? She just might.
Rounding out the lineup in lane 8 from Immaculate Conception, we've got Chevy and Shim.
Yeah, Miss Consistent for Immaculate. Gets into this final with 11.70 from the semis.
So the second Saturday in January, Spencer, Alex Henry of Edwin Allen in lane 6 defeated Shanoya Douglas of Holland in lane 5 that first opening weekend at the Pure Water meet. Now they meet again when it really matters.
We have got 2 from Edwin Allen, and we have got 2 competitors returning from last year's final, Renicia Edwards and Shemonique Hazel, 3rd and 7th respectively, a year ago. Let's see how this one will pan out in a matter of moments. Shanoya Douglas out of lane 5, the big favorite.
Set.
Excellent start by Douglas. Henry is there as well. Marshall, Shanoya Douglas puts the hammer down now, takes command. The rest are running for silver, bronze. Shanoya Douglas, a stunning performance from a superlative athlete. The flash time is 10.94, 10.98 seconds, a new world leading time, a new lifetime best, just outside the national junior record. A stunning, scorching, and superlative display of sprinting to complete part 1 of the sprint double campaign. Silver goes to Henry in 11.21, bronze to Edwards 11.45. Oh, what a run that was.